Action.
We're rolling now.
We're rolling.
Is it picking up my voice?
I think so.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Are you rolling right now?
Yeah. This wind is so great. So we're building a 10 by 12. Sorry, hold on.
I'm not.
Yeah, don't look. I think that's the problem.
Okay, sorry, I'll be over here. We need an archery shop in our garage, so we got to clear out all the garden stuff, and we need a shed. So today, we're going to build a shed on a budget. So we're going to start off this shed. As you can see, we got this little square. We're going to pull off a string line off the bottom here, and a string line off that side of that house over there. That way we know we're building a nice square corner on that outside edge. So let's get to it. Well, we got the floor joists put in. I'm doing all 2x6 just because it's a garden shed. It's nothing crazy. But these deck blocks, you can get these $10 at Menards, and you can just set your floor joists and your floor system right on them. That was our lowest point, so we had to dig down all of these and level everything, and now we should be ready to put our subfloor on. So that's the next step.
This is true interview style. What did we just finish? Wait. What did we just finish?
The floor.
What are we gonna do next?
The walls.
We have a floor. We have a floor, which is great.
Got the subfloor done here. Now we're just gonna snap some lines, make sure we're building our walls nice and square, and we're gonna lay down plates, lay out the studs, and start building. So, yep.
It's coming together, quick.
Mm-hmm. So we got all the walls, I got all the wall plates snapped out, so now, and we checked our squareness, we're nice and square. Got all of it marked out, and we got our first wall built here. So then what we do is, since this one's gonna be so close to the house, is we squared it up right here, And I'm gonna throw on some of the sheathing right now. That way we don't have to afterwards. So I'm just tacking this, plus it'll help it keep it square when we put it up. So got that. That's there. Go half on this guy. And right here. Just like that. As long as we're half on here. That's good there. Whoa! And there's that. Let me just do something like this. Just like that. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
No, don't lift with your back.
Yeah, with my legs.
Squat like this.
Yep.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, careful, we don't want it to go off.
Nope, we got it. Okay. I'll at least get it started so you got some support. Okay. Okay.
Now you know that it's not like lined up.
Yes, I know. That's what I'm on to next. Okay. Getting close. There's our line.
Okay.
There we go. Do like one more tap. We're on here. Okay. Get you on over here. Just because I see we got a gap, I'm gonna try to suck her down with some screws. Nothing. Okay, lift up on that and we're gonna set it back out just a hair. Your way. Your way. You coming? Hold up. Oh. Screw it.
Screw it.
Right there. There you go. We're perfectly level. Which way?
I think we want to go, the bubble is closer to you.
That make it better?
Yep.
Or worse?
Better.
Okay.
Okay, just a tiny bit north of you. Right there.
Well, that's all we got for the day. No, we made good headway.
We did. We have the we have the floor done, and we have the back wall sheathed and put up,
Yeah.
braced.
We got the floor system in, we got subfloor in, we got all the walls marked out, and we got the back wall done. So everything's braced. Tomorrow morning we should be able to get the rest of these walls up, and it's gonna go quick.
Yeah.
Like super quick.
Super quick.
But good space to get all the garden stuff out of the garage, and then we're gonna have a sweet archery shop.
Exciting. And a gym.
And a gym, yeah, home gym.
Home gym in the garage.
So, yep.
We will see you tomorrow. We are back on day 2 of the shed build. We ended up spending, it took us about 4 hours yesterday to get to this point. So we got the base, the floor, that first wall. What's the next step?
What's that?
What's the next step?
We're gonna frame up the rest of these walls. We got this one and this one, and we decided that we want a couple windows in. So we're gonna throw a window in each side wall. That way you got a little bit of light. But we're gonna get these framed up.
Yeah, if you're looking to save money, you wouldn't, I guess, necessarily have to put windows in, but we ran to the store this morning and found 2, what are they, 24 by 24 inch windows?
Yeah, they're $45 a piece, so they're not much.
Yeah, so we figured it was worth it, just get a little natural light in there and then also be able to have some airflow. So,
Yep,
you ready?
let's get after it.
Tyler said the process was going to go pretty quick, but he's got 2 walls up here now. One just is missing the window frame. How's it going?
I got sawdust in my eye.
Sawdust in your eye?
Yeah. It's good. We get this front wall built, get everything tied together, and it's going to be almost time to frame in the roof. It's hot, but we got all the walls stood up, and then we did our double top plate. And the purpose of double top plates is to strengthen your corners and straighten your walls. So we got those put on, and we had these angle braces on the exterior from when we stood the walls. Now that we put them on the inside, the walls won't move when we take off the exterior braces. And now we can sheathe the entire outside, and that'll hold it nice and square. So that's the next step after water.
Action.
Action. We took an apple break. We got all of our walls put up, all the sheathing and everything is nice and tied together, so we were able to take the braces off. And we wanted to make sure that the roof was sloped enough, so we ended up just stacking a couple more 2x4s just to make it a bigger slope. And our roof is going to be a 112 slope, so it's not even, I mean, it's barely sloping, but it's enough to get water off the roof. So that's our next step, is we're just gonna run our 2x4s on edge up that way, and then we'll end up tying that all together with some more sheathing. So once we do that, then we can Tyvek and waterproof everything and put our windows in. Yeah. go. You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. We got the roof sheathed. Roof is done, sheathed. And we put a 2-foot overhang on the front. Get water away from the door. But now, I mean, there's still some miscellaneous stuff to do, but we're gonna get it waterproofed. I'm gonna go up and put some felt on the roof, and then we'll wrap it in Tyvek. This is gonna go quick, babe. FYI.
What'd you say?
I said this is gonna go quick.
Is it?
Yeah. If you're feeling ambitious and you wanna climb up the ladder to look at the roof, you can.
Okay. Did you fix the window?
I got him in there. Yeah.
That really didn't take that long though.
No, it's an easy fix. I just had to move it down. The slide.
Look at that.
Good to go.
Perfect. All we need.
Well, we got it mostly waterproofed. We ran out of Tyvek. I've just been kind of collecting it. But we'll have to pick up some more of that and do the front and the back. But we got the sides done so we can get our windows in. And we got the roof. We got that felted up too. So really we got a little bit of exterior work left. Build the doors, but it's gonna be a great little shed. Yeah. We got some temporary doors put on and we got the rest of it waterproofed. So we're gonna leave the shed kind of where it's at for right now. We got the garage cleaned out. But yeah, we'll give you guys an update.
Once we finish the rest of it.
Yeah, once we get some siding and some shingles and stuff, we can update you guys on that. But that's pretty much it. That's just the shed right there in itself. Nice. Solid.
Solid.
Yep. But she'll work for now. Thanks guys for watching.
That's not going anywhere.
That's definitely not going anywhere.
Thanks for watching. See you in part 2.